These are heads of Chief of Defense of West African countries. The defense chiefs are here for the next 3 days to brainstorm on ongoing political situation in Niger Republic and propose the best suitable solutions. This meeting followed an extraordinary summit of the Authority of Heads of State and Government chaired by President Bola Tinubu, which issued an ultimatum to the military junta in Niger to revert back to the status quo or raise consequences, including a possible military action. The Ecowas Commissioner for Political Affairs, Peace and Security warns that all options be considered to end the spate of coup d'etats in West Africa.
In the past 3 years or so, there have been about 8, 9 successful and unsuccessful coups in West Africa. West Africa, which was the poster region, with Ecowas as the poster regional economic community in the world, following the exploits of this our revered organization in the 1990s, whether in the Mano River Basin, Liberia, Sierra Leone, later Cote d'Ivoire, Guinea-Bissau, and other places.
For Nigeria's Chief of Defense Staff, he wants his few military chiefs to take on the risk of restoring democratic governance in Niger Republic.
We must face the challenges of restoring democratic governance in Niger head-on, drawing on our shared experiences, wisdom, and collective resolve. Our decisions will have far-reaching implications for the Ecowas region. Ecowas' strength lies in unity, shared values, and commitment to democracy, peace, and prosperity.
A coup d'etat on July 26 had disrupted governance in Niger Republic with the elected government under house arrest. Absent from the 15-member committee are the defense chiefs from Niger, Burkina Faso, Guinea, Mali, and Guinea-Bissau. This perhaps demonstrates that the countries are on the opposition to the ECOWAS stance on Niger Republic. John Taylor, ITV News.